is amazing. How do you like my new Ataturk shirt? I'm going to be very popular in Turkey in this. You might be able to hear my new metal water bottle rattling. They fixed me up with a sustainable bottle, helped me mend my rear light, puncture. I'm all set, hopefully.
In Ahmetby, I was beckoned over to this gathering.
The opening of a brand new lingerie shop, and I got hustled into the back. 3 women fitted me an Ataturk here for a brand new bra which they've gifted me, and the local news reporter had me post for a lot of photos, so I'm almost certainly going to be in the local paper here. Staying with the warm showers host this evening, which I'm really excited about. Get a little insight into Turkish family life, and if I'm super lucky, maybe some Turkish home cooked food too.